friends, welcome to all of you in our advanced spoken English class Gayatri, and today we wanna discuss about advantage and disadvantage of mobile phone. So without wasting any time, let's start our topic and discuss about this thing. So nowadays mobile is very useful for human beings. So what do you want to think about this?
I think nowadays mobile is perform very vital role, but it cause many harmful effect on the human being also. So it is very harmful for our brain, our eyes, and our ears, our skin. So many lot of things effect from mobile phone.
Okay, so you don't use mobile.
I use mobile, but I also know its harmful effect on me.
Okay, so but it is very useful for us, and now you are a bachelor student of engineering, so you also know about what the advantage of mobile and what the disadvantage of mobile. So and our studies also focus our studies also impact on the mobile phone. So how could you tell me
Yeah,
this?
I know that I am a student of electronics. So I also use even I know more use of mobile, and I use a lot of mobile, and I gain many knowledge from mobile. But the problem is that we can nowadays many people completely dependent on mobile. Even a single thing, even if we want to search something, even how to boil up water is also searched by the people. So that is very common thing of
Yeah.
use of mobile. But people use people take help of Google.
For some time you told me you are lots of using mobile, so
I know.
you are also addicting on mobile. So,
Yeah, but a world is now a modern world,
hey.
but it also has many disadvantages. Yeah, means disadvantage is more than advantage.
You know about this thing, na? So why are you using mobile?
Because the mobile is a, because teachers also say that use mobile, go through the mobile, they send notes and we can go through the notes.
We can easily get the notes.
Yeah,
And
yeah, but mobile is also harmful for our eyes. Continue watching of mobile and keeping the mobile at a fixed position and watch continue, it's also cause a back pain. So and it also cause many neck pain and so many things. So it totally depend. It totally
everybody
damage
know about
human.
this. Everybody know about this, but
It all totally would damage human body.
Yeah.
So,
everybody know about this. But everybody using mobile. So do you have any reason why?
in place of mobile phone we can also use just like in education purpose we can use books. Nowadays reading habit of book is decreases because
So,
of mobile.
the book is carry easy or mobile?
Mobile is very easy, but book is book give more knowledge than mobile, and it's increase our reading habit also.
Okay, so one disadvantage or disadvantage also, but books carrying easily, mobile carrying easily, so that's why I prefer mobile, because now we are PG, now I'm a PG student, so I don't have lots of time to carry the all books and all copies and all notes, so that's why I carry mobile.
Not
Because
only PG student, all the students
all
use mobile.
Yeah.
But mobile using of mobile is very in my way it is very dangerous. Like if we use mobile, we can also use camera for capturing pictures, but we use mobile phone, and we can also use
Because it's facility in mobile phone.
yeah, but it reduce the work of camera. It reduce the work of video recording recording
So
camera.
it's good for us, na? Because it's our financial problem easily control. We
Yeah,
can control
it
our
is.
financial problem because if we have one thing, just like mobile, if we have one thing, this called mobile, so we can calculate easily. We can easily find out anything, and we can easily perform uh, a short role play just like this
But
in short times. So how can you do?
many people use mobile phone as a alarm clock in place of an alarm clock. So they keep mobile beside the pillow beside it in bed. So they don't know how many germs they are inviting. Mobile phone is a very unhygienic. Yeah, according to research.
Yeah, everybody know about this, but every people
No,
are
everybody not know about this. I think many people don't know about this.
in India. 60% are education rate. So
In India,
in India,
and 60%
60%,
but all
maybe 60%, 59 point something. So how to like this? Everybody know about not know about this. Every person know about this. What the
not
advantage and what
everybody, some person know about this.
not some person, just like everybody, because everybody using mobile and everybody told us not too much use of mobile.
Okay, it emit radiation, electromagnetic radiation, and you know that it is very harmful for human body. So it totally damage human body. So what is the purpose behind using mobile phone? It damages the human being. So why we are using mobile phone? Because our purpose is living, surviving, and protect our body from any disease and from any unhygienic and any effect, harmful effect. So why we are using mobile phone?
Nowadays, four main things and basic rules of the human nature or human daily life, just like food, cloth, home, and Wi-Fi or internet. The four basic rule on nowadays human basic rule, basic needs. So what do you have to think about this?
But this basic need is all we can
Before 10 or 20 years ago, we can only say that food, cloth, and home. But
but food,
nowadays,
cloth and home is not depend on mobile now. These are our basic thing and these are not depend on our mobile, use of mobile.
if we focuses on our study, so we can get the knowledge of mobile and we
But
can.
previous year ago, many like Albert Einstein, they also not know, they had
don't
their they don't have mobile phone, but they are genius. Means nobody
Everybody
can
knows
make.
genius, na? Everybody person are not a genius.
So previous year also many people are.
In India, nowadays in India, one person is genius. We all know about this,
Yeah.
Mr.
Because
Mukesh Ambani.
mostly 99 people busy with their mobile phone. That's why one person people is genius in
Yes.
India.
Yeah.
So don't use. It's also very disadvantage.
It's also our government policy is also including in this. Like we can before 2 years. Before 2 years, our government is also
Providing.
provide the mobile phone of
But-
every student or every villagers.
But this mobile phone is. I heard some newses about that mobile phone. They are They create very harmful effect on human being.
Yeah.
And some mobile was damaged also.
No?
Providing by Raman Sarkar.
Raman Sarkar. Yeah, because I
I
also
heard
have.
some news, some disadvantage news.
I also have that mobile phone, so it's a totally fake news. And
Oh. But
that time I'm in graduation, so that's why I also have a mobile in Raman Sarkar government. And
But there are a lot of disadvantage of mobile.
Yeah.
Just like according to research, many people loses
According
their
to research,
life.
according to research, but everybody know about this and everybody using mobile. If you also use, you also
Yeah.
addict the mobile phone because you also you know about the disadvantage of mobile, but you are still using mobile.
But life is a main motto of human being. But they also lost their
The
life due to
basic
the
need of
mobile.
mobile, the basic need of human being. Nowadays we included this basic need.
No,
It's
this
like
is not basic need. Basic need is food. Without food, you can live.
without without internet you can live now.
Yeah, I can live without internet now. But basic purpose is our food, or you can food, cloth, and home.
Home.
So there is no.
Without internet we can also not
no,
survive.
Previous year, people also survived without mobile. Why they? How they survived?
That's past thing, not a present thing. Okay.
I know past thing, but but it effect very harmful. You agree with that? But
I
you
also
don't-
agree. I also know about what the disadvantage of mobile phone, but
In India, many people lost their life during driving time because they are not paying totally attention on driving. They paying
Because it's
attention on
fun.
mobile.
because it's not a mobile
But
phone.
according to research, 60% people have lost their life.
Yeah, I know. And nowadays people are using like PUBG and TikTok.
That's these are very these are very big disadvantage
Disadvantage.
of mobile phone.
But
Because
unemployed people, what are what they do?
they are unemployed is their fault, not if I unemployed, then what is means that is not a reason to play PUBG because of I am unemployed. They can search some.
So what is what nowadays the product the Indian market is going downfall. Everybody know about this. So no, downfall is many creates like unemployed people, and it's also pricing is also rising high. So what they do? If they think about this, then you can make
How connect this thing from mobile phone?
actually we can transfer our mind setup or move one thing to another thing. If we think about this market price and something like that, so we can tense in our mind and we can pressure, and after that, after some time we can.
That's our fault now.
That's our fault, not that's government policy, and that's market side
What
also.
should government do? That is our fault. Country is running by the people, not only government.
But
According to demand of people, price
But
of
the market
everything
is-
is increases.
but the market price is dependent on the government policies.
How
Not
can
the-
you say that?
Not the people, because government are increasing the tax rate, and they can they can take the decision of the taxes rate, and after that the company or organization they can provide the customers. So after taxation the price is high of the product, so that's not dependent on the public, that's only
That's-
depend.
All money of government is used for people advance, for making people advance. Just like government make many roads and bridges for our not for her or
Okay.
his. So all government develop our country
Our country, yeah,
for
I agree, but
whatever side.
the people are unemployed, so how can
So that's not government fault. That's people fault who are unemployed. Because many reasons behind unemployed, just like they not gain proper knowledge, so they blame government.
Nowadays everybody blame the government because
That is not
in previous year record, I also the
you also blame the government.
yeah because I in 2019 July 2019 I passed my physical exam, then I am here.
Okay, but that's not your
That's the
fault.
fault of government, na?
So why what?
Because I I
You
got,
did your graduation.
yeah, I did
And
my
you-
graduation and I passed my exam of CISF. Then they told me and that time they told me we will give you physical we will take you your physical test. After that we will take your medical test. They took my physical test. Then still I am here. Then they will not ready for the medical test because they told me it's a long process, so we will take our own time and we will after some time we will inform you what the procedure of medical test and something like that. So in this 6 month gap, what I do?
But I think government is not responsible for that. And if you think government is responsible for your unemployed, then at the spot you had to complain. Why?
Where? Because everybody
To
follows
police.
the police is also followed by the government policies.
But I think police is very helpful for ourselves.
No,
I experienced in last 1 week. I go to the police office. I go to for complaining. For complaining, my identity card was missing. That's why I go.
that's not government policy.
And listen, this is first reason. Second reason is many customer of my father who not give money for not give money. That's why I complain. I go to the police office and complain regarding this regarding
That's
that matter,
your
and they
your
are.
father's matter, not government policy.
I
Police
think
is-
we are moving from our topic.
Yeah.
We should keep our topic.
Okay,
Advantage
so-
and disadvantage.
Yeah. So advantage is many things you also know about this, and disadvantage is also know, but you also know, but you are using still mobile, so you know, so why you can reduce your time also
Yeah.
for using mobile, but you told me you are addicting to mobile.
I addicting, but not more. But I use mobile for a simple purpose. My motto is I don't say don't use mobile. I
Okay.
say use mobile, but reduce the time of using your mobile. Like we take mobile and we look mobile. We scroll and watching so many things, and a lot of hour we are wasting. Time is a money and we wasting on mobile. So that I think use mobile, but in a limited manner. Use mobile for a limited purpose, and that's all.
So finally we conclude our topic is advantage and disadvantage of mobile is both are very important for our human body and human public also. So that's all about it.
Yes, according to you.
Thank you so.
And thank you sir.